Go ahead, bet against me. Tell me I ain't got it. Tell me it's gonna crash and burn. I dare you. That's the fuel I run off, man. Every doubt, every hater, every nah, he can't do it, I eat that shit up. I love every second of it, cause all that talk, that's what pushes me harder, makes me sharper, turns me into something unstoppable. You don't realize it, but you're gassing me up. Keep that same energy when I come through and prove you wrong. That's the thing about folks. They quick to count you out, but they ain't got a clue what you built for. While they sitting back talking, I'm out here making moves, putting in the work. And when the results show, they gonna have to eat every single word. This life ain't about waiting for people to believe in you. Nah, it's about you betting on yourself when nobody else does. You put your money on the table, double down on your own grind, and watch what happens. I ain't here to ask for validation, I'm here to win. You tell me it's impossible, I'ma show you it's inevitable. So keep talking, keep doubting. I need that. You're gonna see the day when you realize betting against me was the worst mistake you ever made.